Consider yourself retarded.
Hey, Red!
Get away from me! No!
Look, dude. You need to calm down. I wouldn't care less if they have germs or not. So you have to quit it.
You know what else he did?
What?
He used a raid spray at the food.
That's poison!
I know, right? Who does that? Is he trying to kill us?
Guys? What are you doing? What happened? Oh, wait. Chuck? What did you do to me?
I'm sorry, Red. But this is for your own good. Terrence, keep an eye on him.
Wait, how am I supposed to eat?
Just have some noodles, of course. You haven't ate it. So, just serve yourself.